So today I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple Classroom. The first thing you'll do is you'll locate the Classroom app. If you do not have it, please feel free to download it from the App Store. It is a free download. When you first launch the app, it will ask you for basic information like your name. It will also give you the option to take a photo or to choose a photo that you've already saved. Now tap the button to create a new class. Enter a name and then choose a color to represent it. Now that the class is created, we can begin to add students. Simply click on the class and then tap the Add button. An invitation code will appear at the bottom of your screen. From the student's device, have them launch the Settings app. If classroom settings do not appear under Bluetooth, please make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. At the top of this page, have students click the link to your class invitation. Once students accept the invitation and enter your code, please make sure they select Always and Always from the bottom of this screen. This will help prevent a prompt from appearing every time you want to lock a device or view a screen. As students begin to join your class, their names and possibly photos will appear above the invitation code. Tap Add to enroll them in your class. Once students have been added to your class, you will see the Actions list, which contains actions that you can perform on the devices in the classroom. We'll cover this in more detail at a later date. At the end of class, please make sure to tap End Class to return each iPad to normal use. As always, please reach out with any questions, concerns, or comments. Thank you.